Okay, everybody, so I'm going to make a little video here and try and explain this activity the best I can. I'll try to keep it short, although you know I am very long-winded. Here's the activity here, and I took the sheets of paper and I laid them out on this board. Here's the one sheet that's got all the different traits of your baby, and it's got the alleles for each of the traits. And then I taped this data chart sheet right next to it. I went ahead and put the gender down here. And the special traits are going to be eye color and skin color, and that's polygenic traits, and I'm going to get to that in a second. So here's basically what you do. So let's say we're going to go with face shape first. Okay, so face shape is going to be capital R is going to give us a round face, and lowercase r is going to give us a square face. So let's just see how this is going to go. So I'm going to flip the coin. Now in this activity, in the directions, it says that the heads is going to give us a dominant or a capital letter, and the tails is going to give us a recessive or a lowercase letter. Okay. So let's see how this goes. Okay, so first I'm going to flip the coin for the maternal or the mom. See what kind of allele she provides. Now remember that if the mom happened to be big R, little r, she might make eggs with, some of the eggs might have the big R and some of the eggs might be the little r coming from the mom. So we don't know which egg we're going to get. It's completely random. So let's find out which egg we're going to get for that. And it's a tail. Okay. So the mom's going to give us a little r. So let's put the little r right there. And the dad, we don't know if the dad is going to give us a big R or a little r. He might have been pure dominant. He might have been pure recessive, but we don't know. But we're just going to flip the coin for the dad and let's see what happens there. All right, that's a head. Yep, that's a head. So we're going to get a big R for the dad. This is the easy part because the genotype is just sliding these letters over, always putting the capital letter first. So we're going to write that like this, big R, little r. And now we want to go to our shape. And remember that law of dominance says that if it's big R, little r, we're going to have the dominant characteristic. So in this case, we're going to have the round. The big R is going to stand for round. So big R, little r is going to give us a round face. If it were little r, just to be sure, if it were little r, we would have the square face. So big R gives us the round. Big R, little r gives us the round. It's only when we get two recessive alleles together that we'll get the square. So I got the first one done. Then you're going to do the same thing for all the rest of these characteristics, except for these two that I have a star next to, the skin color and the eye color. Since those are polygenic, let me explain what polygenic means. Polygenic traits are determined by multiple genes. And so we're going to have multiple flips for that. And so let's do skin color. Let's do skin color right here. So for skin color, we're going to have to flip the coin 8 times and see how many times we get a capital. So skin color, here we go. So the first one, all right, that's 1, not a capital. 2, no capitals. 3, still not a capital. 4, oh man, 4, no capitals, okay. 5, no capitals, ay, ay, ay. 6, still not a capital. 7, I did get the first capital letter. And 8. Okay, so I flipped it 8 times and I got 1 capital letter. And so that means the skin is going to be light tan skin. So for skin color, I'm just going to write down skin color. I got 1 capital letter. And So it's going to be light tan skin. And you do the same thing for eye color, except for that you only it's only controlled by 6 different genes, so you only have to flip it 6 different times. One other special case I want to point out, and that's the gender. Since the female, the mom, is always going to be XX, the mother can only donate an X chromosome. And so you can already pencil that one in ahead of time. You know it's going to be an X. The father, though, is going to be XY. And so we're going to say that if you flip a heads, it's X. And if you flip a tails, you're going to get a Y. So let's see what the gender of my baby is going to be. And it's a head. It's going to be an X. So I can put my X in right there for my dad. He donated the X. Slide that over. The genotype is going to be XX. And we know that XX is female. Okay, so anyways, I want you guys to have fun with this video. And have fun with this assignment. And please email me your fictitious baby photos so I can see the end result of them. I would love to see these sketches that you make when you get done. I hope you have fun with this. So long.